Hey friends, so we've all been there, waking up with that scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and the dreaded feeling of, uh-oh, I think I'm getting sick. It's not fun. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some doctor-approved remedies to cure cold and flu symptoms fast and effectively. No need to panic or hit the pharmacy blindly, we've got this. Chapter 1, Sarah's battle with cold and flu.
Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old programmer who works from home. She's been working long hours and her immune system is running low.
One day, she wakes up with a runny nose. Let's break down how Sarah handled it. On day 1, Sarah gets hit with a severe runny nose. Her go-to remedy, oxymetazoline nasal spray, also known as Afrin or Zicam. She sprays 2 to 3 times in each nostril every 10 to 12 hours.
Quick tip: oxymetazoline is a nasal decongestant that gives temporary relief from congestion caused by common colds, sinusitis, or allergies.
By day 2, Sarah is still battling that runny nose, but the nasal spray caused some burning and dryness in her nose. She switched to pseudoephedrine, also known as Sudafed, 60 milligrams every 6 hours.
Quick tip: pseudoephedrine works by constricting blood vessels in the nasal passages, reducing swelling.
But beware, can cause sleep difficulty, which Sarah learned the hard way. Day 3, the full cold and flu combo. By day 3, Sarah develops a severe sore throat, a dry cough, and fever with general aches. She gets a COVID-19 test, which comes back negative, and guesses it's the flu since she hung out with a friend who had it a few days ago. Quick tip: the flu typically incubates 1 to 4 days after exposure, lasting 5 to 7 days, with lingering fatigue and cough. If you think you've got the flu, it's always good to check with your doctor. Chapter 2, OTC remedies Sarah swears by.
Since Sarah has had the flu before, she remembers her doctor's advice and uses all of these trusty OTC remedies.
A. Pain relievers and fever reducers. Ibuprofen, also known as Advil or Motrin, is a lifesaver for reducing pain and fever.
Sarah uses it with acetaminophen to manage her sore throat and fever.
Quick tip: combining ibuprofen and acetaminophen offers enhanced pain relief, longer-lasting effects, and a faster onset of action. The recommended dosage is 200 to 400 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, with a maximum of 1,200 milligrams per day.
But take note, it can irritate your stomach, so combine it with an antacid like Mylanta to avoid discomfort.
B. Multi-symptom relief Dayquil and NyQuil. Vicks Dayquil and NyQuil are 2 powerful remedies that combine multiple active ingredients to tackle cold symptoms all at once.
Dayquil has acetaminophen, 650 milligrams per 30 milliliters for pain and fever relief, dextromethorphan, 20 milligrams per 30 milliliters to suppress that nasty cough, phenylephrine, 10 milligrams per 30 milliliters to relieve nasal congestion.
Quick tip: take 2 capsules or 30 milliliters every 4 hours with a maximum of 6 doses a day. NyQuil has acetaminophen, 650 milligrams per 30 milliliters for pain and fever relief, dextromethorphan, 30 milligrams per 30 milliliters to calm your cough, doxylamine succinate, 12.5 milligrams per 30 milliliters, an antihistamine that helps you sleep.
Quick tip: NyQuil helps you rest, making it perfect for nighttime. But beware, don't drive or operate machinery after taking it.
C. Immune boosters elderberry and zinc. Want to supercharge your immune system? Elderberry syrup and zinc lozenges are both great options.
Elderberry has shown to reduce the severity and duration of flu symptoms. You can take it in syrup form, 15 milliliters, 4 times a day for about 5 days.
Quick tip: elderberry works like an antiviral, helping your immune system fight off bugs faster. Zinc lozenges coat your throat and help shorten the length of your cold, especially if you take them within 24 hours of symptoms. Quick tip: take 1 lozenge every 2 to 3 hours while awake for best results.
Chapter 3, DIY Immune Boosting Tonic Recipe. Now let's make a quick immune boosting tonic. It's simple, effective, and tastes great. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 inch fresh grated ginger, juice from 1 lemon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional. Stir it all together and sip slowly for 10 minutes.
Quick tip: ginger, lemon, and cayenne pepper create a powerful immune-boosting blend. Their synergistic effects can help reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. Seriously, it's like a hug in a mug. Chapter 4. When to see a doctor. OTC remedies help, but when should you reach out to a doctor? Here are some red flags you shouldn't ignore.
Symptoms lasting more than 10 days with no improvement.
High fever, above 101.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 38.6 degrees Celsius, that won't go down.
Severe sore throat or difficulty swallowing.
Shortness of breath, chest pain, or wheezing.
Coughing up blood or yellow or green mucus with a foul smell.
Persistent dizziness or ear pain.
If you're unsure, always check in with your doctor. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Chapter 5. Closing thoughts. OTC cold and flu remedies work wonders when used correctly, but always read labels and avoid doubling up on similar ingredients. Stay informed, stay safe, and if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment on what works best for you.
Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.